Hello everyone, welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. Today I'll show you how to create a simple yet useful home automation project using an IR remote and Arduino. We'll control multiple appliances like lights or fans using a TV remote and also display their real-time status on an LCD screen. This project uses an IR receiver to capture remote signals and controls 3 LEDs that simulate home appliances. We're also using a 16x2 I2C LCD to show which device is on or off in real time. This is a great beginner-friendly project to understand remote control, LCD interfacing, and smart home basics. Let's look at the components needed. Arduino Uno or Nano IR receiver module, like 7738, 3 LEDs as appliance indicators, 3 resistors, 220 ohms for each LED, I2C 16x2 LCD display, jumper wires, breadboard remote, any TV DVD remote, USB cable for programming circuit diagram. Connect the IR receiver's out pin to digital pin 11 on Arduino. Connect LED 1 to pin 4, LED 2 to pin 5, and LED 3 to pin 6 with 220 ohm resistors. The I2C LCD's SDA and SCL go to A4 and A5 on Arduino if using Uno. VCC and GND of all modules go to 5 volts and GND on the Arduino. That's it. Simple and clean wiring. Let's break down the code section-wise. 1. Libraries. We include the iRemote, wire, and liquid crystal I2C libraries. 2. Pin definitions. IR receiver is connected to pin 11 and 3 LEDs to pins 4, 5, and 6. 3. Setup function. IR receiver is initialized, LCD is started, and a welcome message is displayed. All LED pins are set as output. 4. Loop function. The code listens for IR signals. On receiving a valid code, it checks which button was pressed. If it's button 1, LED 1 toggles. Button 2 toggles LED 2, and so on. The LCD updates every time with the new on-off status of each LED. 5. Update LCD function. This function keeps the LCD display updated with real-time states of the LEDs. Open the Arduino IDE, select the correct board and port. Upload the code. Let's see a live demo. Press button 1, LED 1 turns on, LCD shows status. Press button 2, LED 2 toggles. Press button 3, LED 3 toggles. Press again to turn off. Everything updates on LCD in real time. This can be used to simulate or actually control appliances with a relay module in a real-world setup. Where can you use this project? Home automation systems, IR-based remote controls, elderly-friendly home devices, school or college IoT Arduino projects, low-cost smart switching systems. You can also expand it with relays to control fans, lights, and other 230-volt devices safely. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo. Tell us in the comments what project you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and keep building awesome electronics.